Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Footech 360. In this video, we will be guiding you with step-by-step process for the online application for QCI exam for the post of Examiner of Patterns and Designs. In the previous video, we have clearly explained how to register for QCI exam. If you haven't registered yet, then watch the previous video and register online, then continue to watch this video. Link for the video has given in the description. So, for those who have already registered, first of all, log into your account by entering your registered mail ID, date of birth and the security code mentioned here. Then the application portal will be open. First part of the application process is basic details. All the basic details will be already visible in the portal as we entered during the registration process, so these details cannot be edited. So click on Save and Continue, then it will move to the next tab, that is communication details. So here you need to fill your address details and you can choose the preferred examination centers. We can select two nearest examination centers, so based on the availability they will allow for any of the preferred test location. Once completed, click on Save and Continue. So next tab is Education Qualification. This is very important tab. You should enter the details very carefully. So first, enter your name of institution, name of university, select your qualification, enter the discipline, your percentage of marks and academic duration, then fill the basic qualification details like HSC and SSLC details. Once entered all the details, click on Save and Continue. So the next tab is Experience Details. Here you can select whether you are an employee or fresher. If you are a working employee, then enter the details about your job, then click on Save and Continue. So next tab is of uploading your photo and signature. The file should be in JPG or JPEG format with a file size between 5 KB to 50 KB. If your file size is higher than this, then compress the files to the mentioned file size. To avoid errors, keep the file name as photo while uploading your photo. For uploading the signature, keep the file name as signature. Once uploaded, click on Save and Continue. Next tab is to upload your SSLC certificate, degree certificate and the ID card. Once uploaded, click on Save and Continue. The final tab is Declaration. Kindly read this declaration and click on this checkbox and click on Process to Payment. It will show how much is the examination fee that you need to pay. Click on OK. Then proceed with the payment. Upon payment, our application process has been completed. If you are facing any issues during the application process, then feel free to contact the QCI Help Desk team through the mail ID support.cgpttm@qcin.org or through the mentioned phone number. As per all your requests, Footech 360 has launched an online test series course for QCI preliminary examination for the post of Examiner of Patterns and Designs. In this course, you will get test series from all the units mentioned in the preliminary exam syllabus, which includes general English, verbal and non-verbal reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general knowledge and current affairs, general science, IP legislation in India, WIPO and related treaties. So you will get a clear picture about how the questions will be asked for the exam from these units. You can attend this test unlimited times from your phone or desktop or laptop. This online test series course is available only in Footech 360 Android app, so download the app from the Google Play Store or through the download link given in the description. If you are an iPhone or iOS user, then kindly follow the instructions given in the description. Since the preliminary examination syllabus is common for all, the aspirants from all the domains as per the eligibility criteria can enroll to this course. So kickstart your preparation now by enrolling to this course. Direct link to the course is given in the description. We are providing this course at 50% discount for first 100 candidates enrolled to this course. So grab your seats now before the offer ends. For further queries and guidance, kindly contact us on WhatsApp or app chat section. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Footech 360. Thank you.